So first of all, I can say one of the biggest project we have done in Saurashtra region, Rajkot, because in the 80s and 90s, various droughts were there in the Saurashtra region. Water was the big problem. Nowhere the water availability. So Rotary has thought in that way. The club of Rajkot club started the construction of the dam first of all, and the whole dam is created by the Rotary as on today, and it's known as the Rotary Dam. We have various hospitals in like Navsari, you have gone, then Eye Hospital, Vapi, you might have visited, then the Rafael College, Management College is run by the Vapi, Rotary. The Rotary Haria LG Hospital, the whole hospital, the biggest one of the project of the Rotary is in Vapi again. Then Ankleshwar, there are again many, you can say Ankleshwar has started one of the biggest project in environmental and chemical engineering college. Worth of rupees already started, worth of rupees, you can say 100 crores has been invested by the Rotary in it. The funding was given by few of them, United Phosphorus Limited, Rajusraw, and other funds generated by the Rotary by matching grants and all the grants. Crematorium is created in, you can say, in Ankleshwar only. So there are lot many educational and programs are there. This year from this district, Rotary district, 6450 means Chicago area has donated 48,000 to our district, from which we have given 500 bicycles to the girl child. Then 1,000 school benches was donated in that money. 12,000 dictionaries was donated and 30,000 notebooks were given to the needy students, for students. So these are all are the projects of the Rotary. I am associated with many associations in Surat. Since last 15 years I am associated with Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, which is one of the most vibrant chamber of the country. And Vapi is also coming under our chambers. The VIA, Vapi Industrial Association, is also a member of our chambers. And I was an honorary secretary in 2008-9 in chambers. As on today, I am a group chairman of the chambers, and in the group chairman, I am covering all energy, environment, and engineering industries. That's all comes under us. I am also associated with renewable energies field. I am a joint president of Renewable Energy Promotion Association. It's called REPA. It's again a national body non-profit organization, and we are promoting all the renewables in India. Recently, you might have heard that Gujarat has opened, connected to the grid 620 megawatt solar power plant, and REPA has a good role in that part. The company like Mozarbeer and a company like Stonefield from US or all are member of our Renewable Energy Promotion Association. So this all is the brief about my work and my relating areas. Again, I am associated with Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, Rotary. I am a Friendship Exchange Chair. We have one more association. I am president for this. It's called Surat Engineering Vikas Association. It is again a trust, registered trust, and we are coming up with an engineering hub in Surat industry, Surat area, South Gujarat area. Government of Gujarat is helping us under that. We have signed an MOU with Government of Gujarat around 100 crore rupees, and we are coming with the CFCs, Common Facility Center for the Small Scale Industries. Basically, our job is to promote the small scale industries in the country and in the South Gujarat region, because we have seen all the economies of the world. We always say that suppose one Reliance is closing down, it will definitely affect the country. But if 10 small scale is closing down, it will never affect the economy of the country. So we were thinking on that direction, that how can we grow the small scale with the globalized. So that is the job of SEVA, Surat Engineering Vikas Association. We are doing in it. So that's all little brief about me. Now I would like to hear you what exactly we want to do, because we can do n number of things in India. Anything we can do, whatever we want to do, we can do. Again, we have a good connection in politically, as because of the Chamber of Commerce. We meet our Chief Minister at least once or twice in a month. We meet our principal secretary, Sahu sir, at least once and twice in a month. So this, I know what are the hurdles and how we can remove that we would like to understand and work for that.
Okay, let's look at WAPI. You have the president of the Rotary Club who is associated with WAPI, right? You also have Mr. Shah from the phosphorus company. Shroff. Raju Shroff.
Yeah.
But yet WAPI and Ankleshwar area continue to pollute for the last 4 years that we have seen. We don't, the papers are not reporting any improvement. They fired people, they fined the place, but why is it not being corrected? And what can, it's bad for the whole state and it's bad for the people. And we go there, we're thrown out of the place, we went there, we weren't even permitted. Why is it taking so long and why is the situation not corrected? And what can we do to correct it? I mean, Prakasham is willing to help, Baki is willing to help. We've got Rivetna here who may be willing to help. Why is it not corrected and why can't we get it corrected together?
We can definitely correct together. The question is, you went there, but what channel you have used, I don't know. See, in India, to work, you must have a good and correct channel, first of all. If you are going directly, it's very difficult. No one will hear you. Why they should hear you? They are earning monies. They are not thinking all it. So we must go through proper channels. And that channel can be decided by us. We can together decide, make the channel, the important channel rather. Even we can take our chief minister there, come with us and see. That can be done by us.
Well, let's get it done.
Yeah, because see, you know, S.K. Nanda, I also know who is that and how he is working. Everybody knows. But see, the thing is, unless you put a pressure on the right channel, then only it will work. Suppose Gujarat is not working, then we can put that pressure from the center. Right? Because Gujarat has a BJP government, center has a Congress government. We can see, we have to play our role. Right? They are playing politics, we have to play that politics to correct it.
We are experts in the environment. Yes. We are not experts in politics.
No, but that's we can do. That's what I am talking.
Right.
See, that's our job as a Chamber of Commerce. We want that our country, our city should be good and clean.
Yes. Right.
So
it is not the lack of experts in India.
Yeah.
I mean, there are probably dime a dozen experts in India.
What's going on there? Why?
No, because they are the same politics.
See, that's the channel I am talking. See, you have seen the Surat since last 10 years.
No, I have not.
You would have, anybody has seen the Surat since last 15 years, 10 years before? It's one of the fastest growing city of Asia since last 10 years. Because people of Surat would like to work. We are connecting the people right channel. We are coaching the minister, come here, sit here. Why it cannot be done? We want to know. So ultimately they are the minister. They have to listen us. We are the industrialist. We are paying tax.
But it seems like the industrial, half the board is now, and it's like the fox trying to control the hen.
That is absolutely fact.
I mean, how can you expect the pollution to improve when the industrialists control the board?
And they are the one causing it.
And they are the ones causing it.
So that's where we have to play. We can ask the Center Environment Commissions, come here and visit this. State government is not working, we have to ask the center.
One of the good points that I heard from him, the Chamber of Commerce. Chamber of Commerce in any place is interested in developing the business, economic vibrancy of that particular area. And they probably could influence because a lot of these big shots are members of that, including WAPI Industrial Association. And WAPI Industrial Association, they can ask, how come, we went to America, for example, this is the way I would do it. These guys, when they're volunteers, they're thrown out by Manoj Oza. They said, yeah, we fired Manoj Oza. Right. Next guy came in, that guy also is gone.
Yeah. He's in the jail.
He's in jail.
He was in a jail.
Manoj is in jail.
The second guy is in jail.
Second guy is in jail? No, I don't think so.
No, I don't know about
Second guy left, he was
Manoj
fired.
Oza is in
Whatever
jail.
it is, he was fired.
Okay.
Anil Merchant, he got out of it.
No, he was a voluntary services he
Who?
was given. I think.
The second one?
Yeah.
No. He was employed full-time CEO. I thought Dr. Vyas or somebody's name.
He's owned industry in Bombay. He used to visit Vapi and go back.
No, that is Anil Merchant.
Anil Merchant.
No, 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 he was put as an interim person
Yeah.
to hire the CEO. After Manoj
To hire
Jha
the
was,
CEO.
went to jail, you said, he was in jail, you said. But he finished his job. I talked with Anil Merchant, Anil Bhai. He said, Prakash, I'm done, I've finished my job. But then I was told this guy he left it. And he worked for Ramki Engineering Company. Ramki Engineering Company is located in Hyderabad. It's a Reddy.
See that?
Well, let's see what he can do, He knows
Yeah, I mean,
we have a problem.
see, I think he's